Welcome to the January 2018 Wealth Management Update. My name is Katherine Liola, President and Founder of CONCENTRIC Private Wealth. January is a great month to revisit the fundamentals of your financial position. Consider starting with your cash flow. Go back all the way to January 2017 through December 2017. Look at your expenses by category. Identify if there's areas where perhaps you may have overspent. Were there trends that you might need to plan for going into 2018? Were there lump sum expenses that might perhaps need a little bit more attention? If you find $100, $200, or even $500+ a month, that money could be the difference between planning a vacation, buying a new bike, or even dedicating that money to savings to be able to help the long term. A few tools to consider using: Quicken, Mint.com, or even using good old Excel. We're happy to help you with that process. Looking at your employer-sponsored retirement plans is also something important to do in January. 401k and 403b plans, as well as any retirement plan, should really be reviewed to make sure that the risk tolerance is aligned with your investment needs. So when looking at these, make sure that how you have that money invested is really specific to you. Also make sure that you're taking advantage of the match that your employer offers if they offer a match, and making sure that that is set up properly. Please note that 401k and 403b plans had plan limits increased from $18,000 in 2017 to $18,500 in 2018. SEP IRAs also saw an increase from $54,000 to $55,000. We did not see increases with traditional IRAs or Roth IRAs. We also did not see increases with catch-up contributions for those 50 and older. Moving on to the tax side of things, January is the month where we begin really helping clients work towards planning their 2017 tax preparation. Documents will begin to be prepared and sent out to our clients. Please log in to Investor 360 to see which option you have already opted for. Your options were either paperless, paper, or a combination of paperless and paper delivery. Again, if you need help with that, we're happy to help you. Also, taking a look at tax preparation, it's important to identify whether you're going to continue to partner with the firm that you have been partnering with tax preparation, whether you're going to be doing it on your own, or whether you're going to be making a change. Whatever you decide to do, please let us know so that we can help you with the process of your tax preparation and gathering those documents. Moving into our market and economic update, we need to first look at 2017. It was a fantastic year to be an investor. US markets, as well as international markets, developed and emerging, were terrific. We've been seeing record highs going into 2018 on multiple days. The strong momentum that we've seen in 2018 is expected to continue. Consumer confidence remains high. We've also seen hiring be very, very strong. Now with that, there are a few things that are catching our attention. Consumer confidence, while high, has dipped a little bit in this past month, but again, we're expecting that to continue. A few global headlines have also eased a little bit, specifically to North Korea and Germany, but still very, very important, so we do have our eye on that. On the US side, we have a few things coming up. Midterm elections are expected to pose a little bit of political disruption, so we'll be keeping our eye and see kind of how that turns out. On the tax side of things, the tax bill is still being worked out as far as what is going to be the impact on the economy, as well as each of you individually as investors. We are having that on the agenda in the first and second quarter to review with you to see what that impact is going to be. January, again, very, very important month to revisit all of the fundamentals that are going to be very important for establishing a strong financial year ahead for you. We're here to work with you. Happy New Year. We're Concentric Private Wealth, centered on what matters most. Thank you for joining us today.